In this video we're going to show you how to do a very quick DTM in Surpac, and in particular how to avoid spending lots of time cleaning up any minor or irrelevant crossovers in your strings. So in this example we have a very large pickup. This would be of a dump. Now the first thing to do when finding a volume, you would create a DTM over the top of this model. In order to do this, you will click on Surface, create DTM in Layer, and then press Apply. And so straight away, as you can see highlighted by the red circles, we have many issues with trying to create a DTM with this model. The issues being mainly crossovers between strings, spikes or duplicate points. And Surpac will not allow you to create a DTM. So this can take a lot of time cleaning up these issues, creating or moving new points, breaking, creating new break lines. So there is a very quick way of avoiding this if you know that these issues are not going to interfere with your actual digital terrain model. So again, you will go into Surface, create DTM in Layer, uncheck the box Perform Breakline Test, and then press Apply. This will then give you a instant DTM over the top of your model and leave you free to carry on calculating the volumes. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe and leave a comment in the comments section. Thank you.